Sydney from Capital Presence, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Stay tuned. So there's a couple different ways that we can make a Teams meeting, and that's going to be mainly through Outlook and through Teams itself. Now, if you're new to Microsoft Teams, making a meeting is going to be one of the most important things that you're going to need to do. So I've set up a little demo environment here to go over how to set those up for you. So now the first way to do that is going to be through Microsoft Outlook. And the main way you're going to be able to create a meeting is going to be through your little calendar app here. And you can see New Event. So if you click that, you're going to see it's going to bring up all the calendar details here, and there's going to be a little switch that's going to say Teams Meeting. You're going to want to turn that on, and it's going to come up with a Teams link for you. And just make sure you fill out all of the information here. So I'm going to type in Big Meeting. You can add any of your attendees here as well. And there should be some that pop up for you. Now, a really cool thing that comes with Microsoft Teams is going to be your scheduling assistant. So anytime that you type in a member or a participant that you want to invite, it's going to come up as free or busy, and it's also going to come up with some suggested times for you. If your meeting doesn't work for everybody, that it would work for everybody as well. So just make sure that you fill everything out there, and then you're going to click send, and that's going to be on your meeting as well. And another thing to note is that your calendar through Outlook and through Microsoft Teams is going to sync together. So vice versa, whether you schedule something on Microsoft Teams or on Outlook, your calendar is going to sync up and you're going to see it in both places, which is a great feature. And then just the other way to do it is manually, double click a date, and then you can fill out same way, click on the Teams meeting button, and you're going to be all set. It is important to note too that this is Microsoft Outlook on the web. It's going to be a little bit different on your desktop app. You're going to see a Microsoft Teams button. Just look for the logo up in the corner when you create a meeting, or you'll see it up in the corner about right here. It'll just say Teams meeting, and you can do it that way as well. So those are going to be the two ways that you can create it in Outlook. And now I'm going to switch over to Microsoft Teams and show you how to create a meeting directly through Teams. So I've got my Teams here, and there are a few different ways to do that. So you can see all of the teams on the side here. You probably will have much more than that. But for now, I'm going to show you just how to create a general meeting. So the easiest way to do that without any participants and you want to pull them in later is just going to be Meet Now. And that will set up a meeting right then and there for you, and then from there you can add the participants as you'd like once you're in the meeting. Now the other way to do that as well is going to be New Meeting, and then same thing, this is going to be like your Outlook where you're just creating a new Teams meeting. You can select the date and the time. You're going to have all of your different attendees show up. So Deborah, you can add in as many as you like, and that scheduling assistant is going to help you find, again, see it shows you here who's free. It would say busy if they were busy, and it's going to show you suggested times if any member is busy, when they would be free, and then this would be a Microsoft Teams meeting. Now, another way to do that would be through the calendar itself. You click the specific date and time to create this event. We're going to say seminar. You would invite the attendees here, the time and date, and save that. And then we should see that populate as well on our other calendar because they do sync. Another way that you're going to be able to do that is through the team itself. So if you go to Teams, you'll see all of your teams here. Now, if you wanted to create a Teams meeting within a specific team, you would just go to the team itself and then click Meet up in the corner, and that's going to tell everybody in that team that a meeting has started, and it's going to give them a notification to join. And then if you wanted to start a Teams meeting in a specific channel and say they might have a little bit different members, you would just click on that channel, and same thing, you're going to click Meet, and it would call all of those participants into the meeting. So guys, thanks for joining. Those are going to be the two easy ways to start a meeting in Microsoft Teams. See you next time.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.